Okay guys, today is a special day because we're doing a little presentation on the completion of our Fast Track Mentorship program. So today I got with me Sunil Joyce and I'm going to present him his certificates of achievement. So I'll go through them one by one and hopefully he'll let you know how he feels about each one he's achieved. So the first one, what we've done, this is his core training. So what we do with this, it's all to do with boiler installations, boiler types, systems, controls, the foundational stuff, what he has to do. And the main thing as well in that is customer service skills. So I'll present this to you. Congratulations for completing this. So Neil,
Thank you.
if you show everyone your certificate, let them see what you've got there. So that's what he's achieved. So how do you feel about that, what you've done?
Well, Tony, this is boiler repairs and heating system learning. Yeah, well, before coming here, by trade, I'm a plumber and I know a little bit about heating as well.
Yeah.
But Tony started from the beginning, different type of systems like open vent systems, seal systems, then different types of boilers,
Mm-hmm.
and electric boilers as well. He covered in the theory, and before coming here, I didn't have any idea about what you call the standard efficiency boiler,
Yeah.
ERP, super efficiency boiler,
Mm.
and I did know something about the bag boiler. I heard in the ACS and all, but after finishing this course, I become thoroughly, I became very confident in identifying different systems,
Good.
different boilers
Yeah.
quickly. I felt that this is a big achievement for me. I'm
Excellent.
really happy.
Okay, good. Well, we've got some more good news for you because you've got your second award. What you've got, this is on the Bain Ecotech, and this is to do with parts mineralization, boiler sequence and operation. So congratulations for that.
Thank
Keep
you.
going on that, brilliant.
Thank you.
So if you want to show people your certificate on that, let people have a look. That's his second one for his trophy cabinet.
Yeah, well, after the few days training of the boiler familiarization and the heating systems, we jumped onto the boiler side. First one, as he said, it was
The Bain
Whalen
Ecotech.
Ecotech boiler. Where we opened the boiler and removed parts each individually and trained 3 times because we were 3 trainees. So each one was doing by himself with his own hands by the coaching of Tony, and all the parts removed and fitted, and he explained why it is removing or replacing, the
That's it.
reason for that one. That was the main thing, yeah, anybody can remove the parts, but you need to know the cause why it is replacing. So he
Correct.
explained everything correctly, and I'm happy that in the future, if any Wayland boiler comes up, I can do it.
Excellent, brilliant. Cool, right. So your next one, you did the back to geotech, and again we did the sequence operation and fault finding, also removing parts and replacing. So well done for that. This is your next certificate. Again, you can show
Thank
people
you.
what you've got. So again, another one for the trophy cabinet. So just explain what you did on that and how you feel.
As I said earlier, Wayland, the same thing we did with the Baxi Geotech. Baxi, the Baxi is one of the important boilers in the UK market because under the Baxi umbrella, it comes Main and Porterton. These are the 3 boilers which can cause, which we can give more works on repair side.
Yeah.
So once you master in Baxi, you can work on Main as well as in Porterton. That's a big advantage. So I learned thoroughly and the sequence of operations and fault finding in different ways, and I'm really happy. So I can in the future I can use my expertise in Main. The Main has got the same type of products
Yeah.
and the Proton as well. So
Cool. Yes.
So that comes in the same umbrella as I told you.
Yeah, brilliant.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And then we did our final gas boiler. So that was 2 gas boilers. This is the final one. The third gas boiler was the Worcester Bringing Star 28i Junior. Again, we did the fault finding, sequence and operation, parts removal and replacement. So again, well done for that. There's your certificate. Again, show people that's your certificate you've got there. Okay, brilliant. Again, just a quick
Yeah,
overview of that.
as everybody knows, that Worcester is the market leader in the UK. Worcester boilers are the market leader. You can see our 3 or 4 out of 10 of all the boilers as Worcester. So the peculiarity of the Worcester is that all the parts are very compact. So and it is, you need a skill how to do it, because how to find the faults and how to repair it and replace it. So we did, as he said, that Worcester Junior I, is that I?
Yeah, yeah,
Junior I,
yeah.
which is really compact when you compare with other boilers, very compact and tiny. So I learned how to fault find and how to repair it.
That's right.
I'm really happy.
Okay, good, brilliant. Now we're going to move on to our next certificate, and this is to do with electric boilers. So we've worked with the Heat Ray Sadia Electromax, also the C600 flow boiler, and we looked at a direct unvented cylinder. So well done for that, and there's your certificate for that.
Thank you, Tony.
Again, show everyone that's your certificate. Good. Just a brief recap of that, what you did.
Well, electric boilers were a bit of a scare to me. I was scared of electric boilers because it's electric. Basically, it's electric. I'm a gas engineer. We are dealing normally with the gas boilers, but the future is electric, because because of the regulations and green gas and everything. What government is pushing for the electric boilers for zero gas emission. So in his program, he included electric boilers as well. Well, I walk into this classroom. When I saw the electric boiler, one of them here and another one over there, the big one is Electromax. Oh my goodness, such a big one. How do I do that one? I couldn't get any clue. How do I do that one? Then we started, first he started the theory section for a few hours, then we jumped on to the practical section. When it opened, I found out that it is way easier than the gas boiler, because gas boiler has got too many parts. Electric boiler has got 2 parts. One is on this one, why it is big, because one cylinder is inside.
Yeah,
The rest of the unvented cylinder is there. The second one is that
electric flow boiler.
Electric flow boiler fitted. So components are very limited, and I think I can repair that one in the future if it comes with the electric. And the flow boiler, this is the miniature of this this model, because why this is big, it has got cylinder inside, that's it.
Yeah.
And I'm confident.
Excellent.
And competent.
And that's what we want. That's what we want.
Thank you.
And your final award, this one was also a big challenge, and I think this one's a big challenge for a lot of people out there, understanding Honeywell Y plan and S plans. So that's what we did. We did fault finding, sequence and operation, and the fault finding was very, very challenging and quite a lot of fun what we did, but we finally got there, and all the guys done really well. So this is your final certificate. Well done.
Thank you, Tony.
Again, just show, demonstrate your off-helical certificate. Brilliant.
Yeah, well, Honeywell Y plan and S plan. Before coming here, I went to other trainer in London area for this course, and that guy, he taught us, and he gave us a book, and said, you everyone, do yourself by looking in the book. I was doing like a robot, you know, putting this one, that one. And we didn't know. I didn't know literally how it was working. And during this training, Tony spent, I think, more than one day to um, to teach us how the Y plan and S plan working, and for finding as well. Now, today morning when I was on the bed, personally, when I was in the bed, I tried to remember the whys where they are going. I can easily remember in my mind, you know, where it goes and what does it do.
That's good.
So that means that's sticking to my mind. So in the future, if any sort of fault finding or repair issue comes up in Y plan or S plan, I can blindly pinpoint this is a problem, that's a problem.
That's brilliant.
And I'm really happy.
Excellent, brilliant. So that's really good to know. You definitely deserve what you've got, and if anyone wants to have these certificates, you know what to do, you know where to come. You'll learn fast if you come to our program. So thanks for coming, and
Thank you so
really
much, Tony.
appreciate that
Thank
you've
you.
come down
Looking
here.
forward.
Okay, so brilliant. So hopefully you enjoyed our little presentation. So we'll see you next time.